Today's best trade is in the eMini. For a quick review, this red color indicates bearishness, this green color indicates bullishness, the brown color here is undecided, and the blues are areas where it's too strong to fight the trend. Clearly, if you're below this area, you're going down. If you're above it, you're going up. This is a 30-minute chart, and these two are 10-minute charts. This middle one charts all the hours that the eMini is traded, and the right-hand chart over here is only the time that the New York Stock Exchange is open. What you're going to want to look at is this purplish line here that connects bottoms, and this purplish line here that connects low spots on a price indicator. You've got higher lows, higher highs, and a prospectively yet higher low here, which, since we've gone from green back to brown, certainly leaves a long option as viable. And of course, if you're looking at the right hand or the left hand charts, you're not going any direction besides up. Two entry spots just above the little white bar here is one reasonable one, and the other one is to buy when prices get to this green line, which is software drawn. As a further confirmation that you got decent chances at this spot right here is our short walker that is showing that as oversold, and you'll note that here it showed overbought, and sure enough prices went down, and here it showed as overbought, and sure enough prices went down. That's not to suggest trading those, but simply that you are likely to have an opportunity to cover your position if you need to without much loss. The next thing you want to note is, yep, the chart turns green as it should, and this corresponds to being over here, and you'll notice that this one is a little slower to get green. You get three arrows here. That's a lot of action coming in, pushing things up, and it all culminates kind of this in the bar that's on top of this blue stripe, and that should give us an opportunity to get out at or slightly above the high of the bar. And I prefer getting out there because sometimes instead of having another wave up, you have a wave down. If that's what you do, and by the way, if you look over here, you will see you get the three arrows going into that high bar, followed by, and this one has little wedges above and below suggesting that you're at a potential crossroads. If you entered here, your best entry, you would have picked up 13.75 on the day. If you entered at the green line, you would have picked up 12.25 on the day, and here I'm using the high of this bar as the exit. If you had held till the end of the day, you would have picked up an additional 4 points, or been wrong and picked up less. In any event, the S&P or the eMini was today's best trade, and we'll see you tomorrow.